Accidentally posted too many videos on TikTok and you wanted to delete it all. Well, in this video, I will show you on how to delete bulk repost so that you don't have to do it manually. First, open TikTok app and tap Profile. At the top right corner, click the three lines and choose Settings and Privacy. Now, let's scroll down and select Report the Problem. Now, navigate Feed and Playback and select Feed. Now, choose Other and tap Need More Help. Now here we can type our message like I want to delete bulk or all my repost. Tap Send. Now let's wait for the response from TikTok support and now they will delete all the reposts. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.